Today we'll be talking about how you can use midnight data during the day. So we all know midnight data bundles are used during midnight hours between 12 and 5 a.m. That's for MTN, but I don't remember for that of other networks. But for MTN, it is 12 a.m. to 5 o'clock a.m. This video will show you guys how you can use these data bundles during the daytime. You can use it whether it's midnight time or the daytime. So what you have to do is to subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to get notified. We all know data bundles are very expensive nowadays, and there is a need for us to get some simple way or some simple tricks in order not to spend our money on data bundles only. So this is the video that's going to save you from buying data bundles. And there's a link in the description which will lead you to a video which can show you how you can get free airtime, and also ways that you can buy cheap airtimes on MTN and other networks, how you can get free data bundles on Vodafone, Airtel, and other networks. So check the description button and get all this information. If you want to join my Telegram group, you can join it and get updates on any important thing that comes there. So I just drop anything important in my Telegram group, so join it as soon as possible so that we can discuss all the things that I've been uploading on my channel. So in order for you to believe what I'm doing is very legit, let me switch on my data and move to the various places that uses data connection. Move to the various places that use data connection and see my data is not, my network is not good. So let me wait for you to switch 4G for you to know that the network is good, but I'm not having data bundles right now. So let me wait. Now I'm having 4G connection. So let me open the various social media apps or any other app that uses data and see whether it works or not. So let me first open Chrome and search for anything. So search for YouTube. Let me go to YouTube. 583. So assuming it is special bundle that you bought. Special bundle is 471, 3 cedis. So let's see how you can go about this tutorial. So as soon as you buy this, don't wait for the maximum time you can wait is 20 minutes. So don't wait for 20 minutes before you proceed with this trick. So just click on OK and just turn your phone to flight mode. Turn your phone to flight mode. Just turn your phone to flight mode and move to the settings of your phone. Just follow me very carefully. Move to the settings of your phone. And we are going to do something very critical here. Just follow as I move. Just go to where you can change the time and the date of your phone. Go to where you can change the time and date of your phone. This is the first step that will be going. So when you go to the place, the first thing that usually is on most of the Android phone is automatic date and time. When it is on, just switch it off. When this is on, just switch it off. Just switch it off. And you go to the time zone and you choose your country. If you're in Nigeria, let's say for Nigeria, input Nigeria. If you're in Ghana, just search for Ghana and put Ghana there. So I've already selected Ghana. So let me see the date. So today is 8th July. So what you have to do is to move the date backwards move it backwards. You understand? Move it backwards. So if you are watching this video around 14th or 15th July, just move it back to 14th July. So move it to the previous day. So I move it to the previous day and I click on done. And let's move to the time also. So the time, just set the time to the midnight zone. So we know midnight zone is 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. but don't do it exactly 12 a.m. You can do it something like 1 o'clock or 1:05 here. You change it to a.m. Change it to a.m. and click on done. Change it to a.m. and click on done. So just close your settings. So after this all you have to do is to just scroll down your listing and turn off your trick before they get terminated. As I said earlier on, when MTN finds out, they will terminate it. So try as much as possible to opt in before it gets terminated, and also subscribe to the channel so that anytime I get any new trick about this midnight data bundles, using it on the daytime, I'll drop it so that you can just get it very fast before it gets terminated. So thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to to the channel. As I said earlier on, I'm having a WhatsApp group and a Telegram channel. The link is being placed in the description. Just click on it and join any of these, and you can ask questions bothering your mind, and also ask any other things aside of this video topic. I will answer you, and we will all succeed together. So thank you very much for watching my video. Let's meet on my other video.